Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make a steady lamp using Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, one PIR sensor, one bulb, one photoresistor sensor, one resistor, and few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So now let us see first of all how to connect this PIR sensor. So it has total 3 terminals. First is the signal terminal that will connect to this 5-number pin of this Arduino. The second one is the power pin that we will connect to this 5V pin of this Arduino. And the third one is the ground pin that we will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect the bulb. It has only 2 terminals. The first will be connected to this 3-number pin of the Arduino, and the second one will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now this photoresistor has only 2 terminals. First will be connected to this 5V pin of this Arduino, and the second will be connected to this A2-number pin of this Arduino, and the same will also be connected through a resistor to GND pin of this Arduino. So in this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see the code. So this is our code. Over here in this void setup function we have configured the pin number 3 for the output purpose and pin number 2 and 5 for the input purpose. Now in void loop function we are reading the value from pin number A2 and 5 and storing in these variables. After it, initially we are making the bulb low, and if the condition is satisfied, means the time is the night time and there is someone near the table, the bulb will glow, else it will not glow. So in this way our code is. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it I am clicking on start simulation. Now see, there is no one inside this, no one is near the table, and hence the bulb is not glowing. Now if there is someone, means there is someone near the table and the time is night time, and hence the bulb is glowing. There is some motion. So in this way it will work. Thank you.